How to fit whole picture on Instagram. When uploading a picture, Instagram often crops parts of it, like your head or feet. To fix this, you can use a free app called Snapseed. First, download Snapseed from the App Store or Play Store. Once installed, open the app and select the picture you want to upload. Tap on Tools, then select Expand. Now, carefully expand your picture by dragging the edges left, right, up or down. This will extend the background naturally without cropping any part of your photo. Once done, tap the checkmark, then tap Export and save your image. Now, open Instagram, tap the plus button and select the edited picture. The full image will now be visible without any cropping. You can apply filters if you want, then tap Next and Share. Your photo will be uploaded without losing any details. That's how to fit whole picture on Instagram.